Hey guys, Jay here and welcome to another wig styling video. This time, I'm styling a wig for Ichigo from Bleach. The base wig I'm using is the Jet in Fire Orange from Arta Wigs. So this wig is actually pretty easy. Many of Arta's shorter wigs are specifically made to spike. This one, among others, will start spiking on its own with no product, making it even better when you do use product. I'm only using hairspray, and I personally use one that's called Bedhead by the brand Hardhead, which is actually twice the price of the Got To Be Glued Freeze Blast hairspray stuff, but I think it's got a stronger hold, so I'm fine with paying a little bit more, but the Got To Be Glued stuff works just fine as well. I use a comb to make sure that the hair spikes all around, as well as using my fingers for the most part. I just want to get most of it spiked up already to make the styling go by easier. For the main style, I just clump some of the hair together into separated spikes, then I spray them with a bit of hairspray, and then I use the hairdryer to dry the hairspray and the spike in place. And I do this same thing all over the entire wig. I also use scissors on many of the tips of the spikes because the sides and the back are a little longer than I want. I'll try to get them to be about the same length over the entire wig. Also, you may have noticed in the front, I made some of the spikes go a bit forward. This seems weird, but if you actually look at Ichigo from the side, his hair actually spikes in all directions. Kinda like if you've ever seen those dog toys that are a ball with a bunch of little spiked nubs all the way around. Yeah, his hair does that. So that's why I did that to the front. I also don't actually spike the bangs. I just kinda clump them together, because the act of putting the wig on is just going to ruin those anyway. So it's best if you want to do that, to do it after you put the wig on. But anyway, after getting all of the spikes separated and done, which honestly is really annoying because it's just doing the same thing over and over like 50 times, but once you're done with that, the wig is done.